Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.1, which is based on order of matrices, which we have already studied in our previous classes. Our first question is in the matrix A, matrix आपको given है, write the order of matrix, the number of elements, write the element A13, A21, A33, A24 and A23. What we have to do, we have a given matrix, that is A आपको given है, that is A equals to 2, 5, 19 minus 7, 35 minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, root 3, 1 minus 5 and 17. Okay, so this is our matrix. In this particular question we have total 3 parts, that is first we have to find the order of the matrix. So as you can see from this matrix or this question, the order of the matrix, as you know, that will be equal to होता है number of rows by number of columns. As you know, we can write the order of matrix in m into m form. Okay, so m is the number of rows and n is the number of column. So by looking at the matrix, we can easily say there are 3 rows, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, that means कि horizontal जो rows है वो क्या है, 3 है, and columns कितने हैं total, we have 4 columns. So we can say the order of matrix is 3 by 4, right? Okay, that is 3 by 4 we can write. Second part of this question is the number of elements we have to find out. So we can easily find out the number of elements by directly multiply 3 to 4. That will be equal to hoga 12. So the total number of element is 12. Okay, and the third part of this question is we have to find the elements A13, okay, A21, A33, A24 and A23. We have to find these elements also. So as you know, here the first number represented by m and the second number represented by n. Okay, so first we can see A13, that means the first row and the third element we have to write. The first row and the third element is 19. Okay, next we have the second row and its first elements, that is 35. That means A21 equals to here we have 35. Next is A33, that means third row and third element it is minus 5. So A33 is equals to हुआ minus 5. Okay, now we have A24, that means second row and fourth element. Okay, that is 12. Okay, and we have A23, it means second row and third element, that is 5 by 12. So here we have A13, A21, A33, A24 and A23. Okay, all the 3 part of this question we have completed. Now we have second question. Second question we are having, if you can see, that second question is if a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible order it can have? What if it has 13 elements? Okay, so the question is कि हमें 24 elements का matrix given है. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to find out the possible orders. So 24 elements we have and we have to find the order. So as you know, we can divide 24 such as like 24 by 1. So this is a matrix and 1 by 24 is also a matrix. Next we can write it as also 2 by 24 or 12 by 24 also, 12 by 2. And next we can write 24 as 8 by 3. Okay, or 3 by 8 is also can be a matrix. Next we have 4 by 6. 6 4s are 24 also, okay, or 6 by 4 can be also a matrix. Next we can write as, so total these can be formed 24 by 1, 1 by 24, 12 by 2 or 2 by 12, 8 by 3 or 3 by 8 or 6 by 4 or 4 by 6. ठीक है, तो यही एलिमेंट्स और सॉरी यही ऑर्डर बनेगा इफ़ वी विल हैव टोटल 24 मैट्रिक्स इन अ एलिमेंट. या तो 24 रोज हो, 1 कॉलम हो, या 1 कॉलम हो और 24 रोज हो. ठीक है, sorry, 1 row हो और 24 column हो, or else we can say if 2 row हो और 12 column हो, या फिर 12 row हो और 2 column हो, and so on. So this way we can make a matrix with 24 total elements. Now the another part of this question is, what if it has 13 elements? If any matrix is having 13 element, and as you know 13 is a prime number. प्राइम नंबर मीन्स जो किसी की टेबल में नहीं आता है. ओके, तो 13 एलिमेंट्स का अगर मैट्रिक्स है, सो द आंसर विल बी कि अगर उससे बनने वाला जो मैट्रिक्स होगा दैट विल बी ओनली 13/1 और 1/13, बिकॉज 13 किसी और की टेबल में नहीं आता एंड दिस इज अ प्राइम नंबर. सो द ऑर्डर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स विल बी 13/1 और 1/13. हेयर m इक्वल्स टू 13 भी हो सकता है, 1 भी हो सकता है, और n इक्वल्स टू 1 भी हो सकता है, 13 भी हो सकता है. ओके, next we have a third question. Third question we are having, if you can see this question, if a matrix has 18 elements. In earlier question we were having 24 elements. Now in third question we have total 18 elements. What are the possible order it can have, and what if it has 5 elements? So next question we are having like second question की तरह ही है, ठीक है. तो हमें अब given है total 18 elements. if we will have total 18 elements, तो 18 को we can divide as 1/18 or 18/1. okay, similar way we can divide it as 2/9 or 9/2 and 3/6 and 6/3. next these three all these 6 total, so we can form a matrix which have 18 elements total by the order such as 1/18, 18/1, 2/9 and 9/2, 3/6 and 6/3. इसके आगे हमें क्वेश्चन गिवन है व्हाट इफ इट हैज़ 5 एलिमेंट्स. अगर किसी मैट्रिक्स के अंदर 5 एलिमेंट्स ही होंगे, 5 इज ऑल्सो अ प्राइम नंबर, दैट मीन्स वो किसी और की टेबल में नहीं आता है, तो वी कैन से कि उसका ऑर्डर क्या होगा, 5/1 और 1/5. ओके, नाउ वी हैव आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Question number 4, we have construct a 2/2 matrix Aij, कैपिटल A इक्वल्स टू है Aij whose elements are given by. यहाँ पे हमें कुछ एलिमेंट्स फॉर्म करने के फॉर्मूलेज गिवन है. like first one is Aij equals to I plus j whole square by 2, and we have to construct by using these formula 2/2 matrix. ऐसी मैट्रिक्स हमें फॉर्म करनी है 2/2 ऑर्डर की, जिसमें ए आई जे यानी कि एलिमेंट्स का जो वैल्यू है वो गिवन है बाय अ फॉर्मूला दैट इज I plus j होल स्क्वायर बाय 2. तो फोर्थ का फर्स्ट पार्ट ही हम ले लेते. ओके, सो फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज फर्स्ट पार्ट इज Aij equals to, we are having I plus j whole square upon 2, and we have to construct a 2/2 matrix where matrix A equals to Aij. okay, so we have to construct 2/2 matrix, so we can write the matrix as A11, A12, A21, A22. this is 2/2 matrix. okay, now we have to find the value of A11, A12, A21 and A22. so how we find? by using this formula. like when we put I equals to 1 and j is also equals to 1, we will get 1 plus 1 whole square by 2, and the answer will be, here we have 4/2, that means 2. okay, next we put A12, I equals to 1 and j equals to 2, we will get 1 plus 2 whole square by 2, that will be equal to 9/2, right? when we put A21, so A21 means I equals to 2 and j equals to 1, then we will get again 9/2, and when we put A22, it means 2 plus 2 whole square by 2, here we have 4, that means 16/2, that is 8. okay, so it means our matrix will be A11 is 2, A12 is 9/2, and A21 is also 9/2, and A22 is 8. so this will be our 2/2 ordered matrix. okay, now we are going to solve question number second of fourth question. okay, here we have Aij. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का जो सेकंड पार्ट है उसमें हमें ए आई जे इक्वल्स टू गिवन है, दैट इज आई अपॉन जे, एंड अगेन वी हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट अ 2 by 2 मैट्रिक्स लाइक दिस. Okay, so when we put A11, it means a I equals to 1 and j equals to 1, we will get 1 by 1, that is also equal to 1. Okay, when we put A12, that means when we put I equals to 1 and j equals to 2, we will get 1 by 2. Okay, when we put A21, that means I equals to 2 and j equals to 1, we will get 2 by 1, that is 2. Okay, and when we put I and j both 2 2, we will get 2 by 2, that is also equals to 1. It means our matrix will be A equals to 1, 1 by 2, 2 and 1. This is our 2 by 2 matrix where Aij represent I upon j. Okay, now we are going to solve the third part of fourth question. Fourth ka third part we are going to solve, and we have here Aij equals to I plus 2j होल स्क्वायर अपॉन 2. ओके, ये फॉर्मूला हमें गिवन है ए आई जे का, एंड वी हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट मैट्रिक्स ए ऑफ 2 by 2 ऑर्डर, दैट मीन्स A11, A12, A21 and A22. Okay, this is 2 by 2 matrix. We have to find the value of A11, A12, A21 and A22, जैसा हमने लास्ट 2 क्वेश्चंस में किया है फोर्थ पार्ट के. So when we put A11 in this formula, we will get, here we have I. Okay, I plus 2j, right? So we will put 1 plus 2 upon 2. Here we have whole square, that means 3 whole square होगा 9 by 2. That means A11 हमारे पास आया 9 by 2. इसे डायरेक्टली मैट्रिक्स में लिख लेते हैं. नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ A12. We put I equals to 1 and j equals to 2. We will get, here we have 4 plus 1, 5. 5 square upon 2 is 25 by 2. Okay, so A12 is 25 by 2. Now we have to find the value of A21. It means 2 plus 1, sorry 2 plus 2, और यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में 1 है, होल स्क्वायर अपॉन 2. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 square, that means 16 by 2, that is 8. That means we are getting A21 is 8. And now we have to find the value of A22. It means 2 plus 2 into 2 whole square by 2. इसे solve करेंगे तो we will get 2 plus 4, that means 6. 6 square 36 by 2, that will be equal to होगा 18. Okay, 2 9 2 8 16, right? Okay, so we have matrix A is 9 by 2, 22 by 2. इसे हम 1 भी लिख सकते हैं, 11 भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके, सॉरी ये 20 by 2 नहीं है, A12 है 25 by 2, राइट? तो वी हैव मैट्रिक्स A इक्वल्स टू 9 by 2, 25 by 2, 8 and 18. This is our third part of fourth question. Okay, that's it. Thank you everyone.